Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And yes, I did it. I've said it. I've said it so many times that I will, and I quote, never buy a mystery box from Echo Park again. And I bought another mystery box. Why? Because I had a really bad week and I needed some retail therapy and the mystery boxes were available and I said, screw it, let's do it. I also have a little tiny Temu haul. So let's see what I got first in the Echo Park box, shall we? All right, here we go. I've already opened this, by the way. I was not going to do a video, but then I decided I should do a video. So I got the Day in the Life paper pad. Let me move some stuff here. So, Day in the Life paper pad. I've already had this. I used this to make a project, this exact 6x6 project. Earlier on in 2024, I believe. If I remember, I will, I promise. Link it down below. If I remember, but I doubt I will. I never do. But if you're watching this and you say, what project did you make? I will, and I forgot to link it, I will link it. And then it just repeats. So, it's a day in life. I did get a package of the decorative numbers from My Favorite Christmas. Like, I'm so excited. I was just going to cut numbers out for my December daily with my Cricut, and now I don't have to. So that makes me happy. I got the First Responder 6x6 paper pad. I did have this in the large 12x12, and I actually used it all. I made cards for my sister-in-law to give out at work, and for my ex-husband to give out. They're very active in their fire company in their community. So I did give him cards to give out to the firefighters. But now I have another one, and then, yep, it repeats. Then I'll have to just make more cards with it, which is fine. I got the 6x6 Christmas Flora, which I'm very excited about. This is such a pretty paper pad. I'm a sucker for some good plaids. And also, I have to say, I'm not at all disappointed in this box this time. The past couple times, the reason I said I wouldn't get any more is because it was so disappointing. You just get stuff you'll never use, stuff you have no interest in, and it kind of got to be a waste of money. But, like I said, I did get 3 things of washi. I don't really use a lot of washi, but I like to have it on hand for when I do need it. This one is, I think, from Dream Big. This one is from Our Baby Boy. And then Merry Christmas from Happy Christmas, which that one will come in handy. I did get the puffy stickers from Season's Greetings. I also got the chipboard accents from Season's Greetings. So I got those 2 things. I got more chipboard accents from Let's Go Anywhere, but I still have a lot of this collection and the sticker book and other stuff with it, so I'm okay with that. I got the chipboard phrases from Here Comes the Sun, which I think I still have. I got another Christmas one, Christmas Time chipboard accents, which will come in handy. All the Christmas ones will come in handy. I will use them in my December daily. That's how I usually use all of this stuff. The Christmas stuff is in my December daily. I got the Fairy Garden chipboard accents. Okay. And then I got 4 ephemera sheets that I still have to punch out. New Day ephemera. White Christmas. I like how they're doing this now and they're just putting it in the pieces of paper. I enjoy that. That's so much better than bringing me plastic that I'm just going to throw away. The Magic of Winter and Our Story Matters. Some of these have already popped out. So there we go. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm a sucker for plaid. I got the Tartan No. 3 collection. These are the plaids that you get, and the reverse side is plain, and you get 2 of each piece. I got the Year in Review 12 by 12 collection, the Christmas Flora. So I got the, oh, this one's Peaceful, this one's Merry. So I got the Merry and the 6 by 6 and the Peaceful and the 12 by 12. I also got the Fairy Garden, which is adorable. And I got the Teen Spirit, which I was like, it's not like I have girls, but I do have nieces. So I will use this for my nieces. It's not a big deal. I did say this in a video not too long ago that I am out of girl birthday paper. So I'll just use that as birthday paper for the girls. Alright, and then I have a very tiny Temu haul that I'm not going to link anything or give prices because when I checked, almost everything I got was sold out. Okay, so here's my small little Temu haul. I did get 2 stencils. I got a leaf stencil, and their stencils are so affordable. They're under $1. And I did get the star stencil, and both of these were sold out when I checked. I did get magnetic sheets. Okay, these are 4 by 6. I have right on here on this side of me a bookshelf, and it's the edge of the bookshelf, and I've been wanting to put magnetic sheets on the bookshelf so I can put my favorite dies on the side of my bookshelf to easily access my favorite dies. I don't know about you guys, but magnetic sheets are really expensive, so I got these small ones to see if I would even like that before I would buy the more expensive bigger sheets. And honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I don't even really have a lot of room on here on the side of my bookshelf over here, so I don't even know. So I think these will be perfect. Yes, going from my desk up until it gets wider. I should take a picture and insert it because I will take a, if I remember, I'm going to make a mental note and take a photo. You know what? Hold on. Let me take a photo now, and then I'll see the photo and be like, what's this photo for? Okay, I took the picture. All right, so that's my plan for these. And now that you've seen the picture, you'll see the narrower part is where I want to put these smaller ones and make sure that I actually like that, having that done. Does that make sense to you? I'm going to take a picture after I put them on to show you also, to see what I mean. I'm 90% sure I'll remember. Anyway, then I got this die here. I'm such a sucker for deckled edge stuff, and this one is also sold out, by the way. This one came up, and I've never seen it before. It was new. I've on Temu constantly, but you get all different. I can pop these out. You get all different tags. And then these torn edge pieces. I want to keep these together. These torn edge like little accent pieces. I can't even put up a video to show you what it looks like a picture, because like I said, they're all sold out. So you get a plain one, and then you get all different torn and different edge, and then you get these little pieces to decorate the tags with: a circle, a star, a diamond, and a rectangle. I just love a good tag die. So I got that. Let's see. Oh, I did get charms. I got charms for Christmas and fall. So let me zoom in. So you can see what dies I got. Alright, so this little present, it's very, very tiny. It's very, very tiny. Like, I mean, unbelievably tiny. I don't understand it, We don't need that tiny of a present. And then there's the reindeer head, which I love. Noel, a Santa, a wreath. There was another wreath too. A smaller wreath. A candy cane. 2 different trees. And a snowflake. That is what I got in that little mystery pack. Okay. And then while I'm zoomed in, let me see if I can find the other one. Yep, here it is. I also got ones for fall. Okay. So there's a bunch of turkeys. I love this gnome. Look how cute that gnome is. He is so cute. There's pieces of pie. There's different pumpkins, different animals, a fox, a squirrel, and a hedgehog, porcupine, I don't know. An ear of corn, which is adorable, and like I said, a bunch of turkeys. There are 2 different styles of mushrooms. Look at the car with the big pumpkin on top, the VW with the big pumpkin on top. So cute. There's leaves, sunflowers. Look at this jam jar. It's adorable. There's another pumpkin, or gourd, whatever you want to call it. And another leaf, an acorn, and then a pine cone. They're adorable, aren't they? So that's those. Okay. Alright, I got birthday candle dies. I struggle with stuff for birthdays. And I saw these and they were under $2. And I'm like, okay. I will just grab these. But look at the little birthday candles. They're so cute. Cutting them out of different kind of paper. Be adorable. So I got that. This one here. Is so cute, and you cut it out of a middle of a card front, so all the paper that you cut it out of is around it, and then a different color underneath. That's why it doesn't cut out the circle around. You understand what I'm trying to say? Get it? Wish I could find. Maybe I can find it. Maybe I can find, because this one was also sold out. Oh, I got myself ribbon for my December daily. I mean, it's not ribbon, but they consider it ribbon. Look at this cute little Christmas lights. Let me also zoom out before I forget. There we go. Look at these cute little Christmas lights. Look at them. They're so cute. And you get a good amount, and it was like $1 something, but you get a good amount. So I thought this would be really cute in my December daily this year. I don't really want to be getting anything else from Temu until the new year. I was pretty much trying to get everything I needed and be done. Okay, and I also got snowflakes. I used to cut the snowflakes out with my Cricut, but they're so intricate that it would constantly rip my paper, and I got sick and tired of it. And then these little tiny leaves, because I want to make cards that these leaves in different colors would make a wreath. I thought would be super cute. That's what I wanted to do with those. So that's everything that I got from Temu. And then the box of stuff, like I said, I promised myself, I kept saying, I said to my boyfriend, I said to everybody, I'm not buying another one. I said, but they have one, and I just really, really will make me happy in this miserable moment to buy a mystery box. Because honestly, I missed out on the Simple Stories one because it was all summer, and I did not want more summer paper. I didn't. I was like, I don't want, is that everything in that bag? Yeah. I don't want more summer paper at all. No. Nope. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm just going to say goodbye as I clean up. I appreciate it. Let me know down below, did you get the Echo Park mystery box this time around? I didn't announce it like I usually do. Honestly, I just forgot it. Like I said, it was just a super long week when these came out. But if you did and you enjoyed what you got, please let me know. I feel like maybe they were listening to people's complaints because it was a much better mystery box this time around than it has been the past bunch of times that I've ordered. Alright, thank you so much. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.